Hello, welcome to Lele's Artistic Jewelry Design. We are going to be unboxing the Soft Flex A Very Berry Summer Bead Extravaganza Midsummer Market Kit. This is the contents. And as you can see, it came in a little strawberry gift bag. Isn't that cute? Nice job in the packaging. This is everything unpacked. So as you see, we have here the diamond glaze, water base, dimensional adhesive. We have the dark blue lapis wire. We have the green craft wire. And here we have some beads. So let's unback those. Okay, now what we have here is we're gonna do the crimp tubes. So we got the crimp tubes. Silver crimp tubes. The ear wires. The lobster claw. And pinch bill, which is a pretty bill, spiral pinch bill by Terracast. Okay, and then we have antique pewter poppy bezel. So you can put something in there, some resin, or that dazzle adhesive right there. The poppy flowers. Okay, we have the star charms. Which they are one-sided. And 3mm check glass purple rounds. Okay, these are the purple round. 3mm, they're very tiny. Then we have the blue ones. Then we have the lavender. These almost look marbly. Have a marble look, and they are faceted. Then we have check glass blue button. That's how they look on the other side. These make good closures. The green leaves, little tiny leaves. Then we have the grape clusters, little red grape clusters. Then we have the strawberries. I guess they call these strawberries. Yep, I see like the little seed indentations on them. And of course your diamond glaze. And that, my friends, is your Soft Flex Midsummer, Very Berry Midsummer Market Kit. So get you a good look at it all again. Just put everything all together. Thank you for stopping by. This is one of the first kits that I bought from Soft Flex. And the next one we have would be the Moroccan Bazaar, which is the Design Challenge Kit. So we'll be going over that too. So make sure you hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload another video of unboxing or jewelry making pieces. Don't forget to give this channel a thumbs up, share it, follow it, subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section below. Thank you for stopping by once again. Be blessed and also be a blessing to someone else. Have a nice day.